Okay, welcome back to this blueprint, Amazon KDP Automated Income Generator. In this video, I will be walking you through on some common mistakes you could do to get your account terminated. So without wasting much of your time, let's move to the next video. Now, one of the common mistakes Amazon KDP publishers do make is keyword stuff. You can also encounter this situation, but as you are going through this video, I believe you won't repeat these same mistakes again. So this leads to a misleading customer's experience. This entails ripping off the title, subtitle, pen name, be it a famous author's name of another book. Ensure that you are not using the same name already published book on Amazon. Also ensure that you are not using the same title already published book on Amazon. So always ensure you do your research before you start using any title for your book, or be it a pen name you want to use. So I believe you understand this particular point. Also, another mistake you should take note of is using the same interiors. You can only use the same interiors when it is a notebook, planner, journals, or rough books. So always take notes. Without any of these books, you shouldn't use any interiors. Take note of that and also ensure you rewatch this video. Another thing you also need to take note of, but you can't use these same interiors when it is coloring books, puzzle books, activity books. Take note, you cannot use these interiors from other books. You cannot use it. So ensure, take note that you shouldn't be using any interior from any coloring books, puzzle books, or activity books. Also, if you buy any book from Creative Fabrica, always ensure to make changes to it. For those who may be buying books from any websites, I believe Creative Fabrica is one of the familiar one you may know. Always ensure you make changes to it before you start using it. But our advice, if you want to create any coloring books, you shouldn't go and use anyone's interior or even a puzzle books or activity books. So always take note of that so you won't get your account terminated or banned. Another thing you should also take note of is trademarks and copyright infringement. Unauthorized use and distribution of copyrighted materials such as text, images, videos, symbols, and other artistic works. Copyright is a form of intellectual property that protects the original works of creators and grants them exclusive rights to distribute their materials. Make sure you do not steal other people's content, as this may lead to more termination of your account. Always take note, do not use any content or be it any book published on Amazon. Do not tamper with those contents here. You using it to actually, come up with your own book content can lead to termination of your account. So you can still go through this material or you can still go through this video for you to better understand what this entails. So always take note of that. It is highly against Amazon rules and regulation. So always take note of that. Now, you should also take note of reviews. These are another mistakes people do. Don't review your own book. Allow people to write a good review about your book. It is very essential. Don't, after publishing your book, don't go to that reviewing section to go there to write a good review about your book. Don't do that. Allow people to do that for you. Another thing you should also take note of is that don't buy reviews. Most people has been doing this and they end up getting their book blocked. So do not do this. Allow people to do it for you. You might even end up getting a good review for those your books. That's why you should allow people to do it for you. Finally, read Amazon guidelines, terms and conditions to be on a safer side. I highly advise you should do this. It is very important. So after watching this video, I would advise you should also go and read Amazon guideline. Although I will give you a sample of the guidelines you need to go through for you to better understand what Amazon is against. So always ensure you read those materials. It is very important. And also, don't skip any video from this particular blueprint. Take it step by step. As you go, you will better understand. So in the next video, explains how to stay safe on Amazon. Bye for now, and do ensure you rewatch this video if you don't understand before coming to the support group to ask any question. So thank you.